Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally taking off my 2-month-old braids.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
So guys, first of all, we're going to be cutting. So fine. The goal of this video is to guide you on how to rightfully take off your braids. Like for example, now look at this. This is just formed dreads, like all of a sudden. So how to take this off, how to get rid of entanglements. Yeah, that's the word. How to get rid of entanglements after unboxing your protective styles. Like how to get rid of entanglements without losing too much hair. So we're not going to lose too much hair, or we're not even going to lose hair at all. So stay tuned and watch. Make sure you watch. Don't skip, madame, monsieur, don't skip. I'm watching you, I'm seeing you. Oh god, I didn't want to take this. Do you know, it's even one thing with braids is after the first month, when you're on the second month, that is when people would start admiring your hair. And gosh, I have a lot of admirers right now, and I can't believe that I'm taking off this hair. It's so painful. Oh wow, this is so pretty. Look at this. Let's try and cut it into a bob. Let's do a bob, guys. Let's do a bob. This is so pretty. You know what came to my mind, guys? Bobrisky. It looks fine. No, she's pretty. Bobrisky, she's pretty and cute. But that doesn't mean I'm her. Okay. To do the bob, cutting this. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this hair. Who likes it? Or is it only me that like it too? Okay, fine. This part. Let's do this. Yeah. Hope I'm not cutting my hair in the name of Bob. Okay, because I know this side I have a longer hair. Okay guys, this is, wow, it's so pretty. Who else thinks this is pretty, or just me that thinks it's pretty? Wow. Yeah. Thumbnail cheers. Okay, now be careful guys, it's the back. Don't cut your hair. Okay, don't cut your hair. What's that? Okay, is like good. I'd make a good face of a short braids. What am I saying? Oh, so I look like Fireboy, like this. That is big. It's not gonna start taking pictures. No time for pictures. Okay, use the tip of your comb. Then go 1, 2, braid by braid, twist by twist. You understand what I'm talking about? Like this. And down. Yeah. Easy, so you don't pull off your hair, especially when it's a 2 months to 3 months old braids. Just take it easy. Look at this. So guys, you see this? I'm done losing this particular part, and there is this dreadlocks there. Now, some people would just begin to just do this and do this so to disentangle, but don't do that. Don't comb your hair, guys, after unboxing protective style. Make sure you wash your hair first before doing it. Any disentanglement you want to do, it should be in the bathroom. Even sometimes I don't do all my disentanglements in the bathroom. I see it's kind of so hard and so entangled, I leave it even to the next day. It just softens on its own, it loses on its own, guys. So make sure you don't comb your hair or try to do this after unboxing. If not, you're going to lose a lot of hair. So the same thing you do to the first part is the same thing you do to the rest. Just disentangle, release, unbox. Okay, this one was easy. Wow, this is gonna take like 2 days. I'm not going to touch my hair. I'm not going to comb my hair. I'll just look at this. It can't even do this. You know, when it's at the middle and when it's like there's more hair, it doesn't form dreads just like when it's at the front part of the hair and when it's tiny. Like these ones are so small, this one is bigger. So when it's like this, don't be scared. You can just easy, kindly just draw it. It's not going, your hair is not going to break. Just like that, like that, like that. Yeah. There you go, girl. You're doing it. No single hair breakage from that. So guys, after 3 hours, damn it, I'm done. I'm just going to, this is my hair mask. This is egg yellow, just egg yellow, and this is coconut oil. You can use any essential oil. Normally I use almond oil, jojoba, castor oil, just any essential oil you have available. I just have coconut oil available, so that's what I'm going to use. So you have to mix this well. First, you're going to curl your hair in sections. Yep, in sections. Gosh, my hair is so dirty. Okay. First, you're going to be just applying the stuff to your scalp. Make sure you apply to those places that egg and coconut oil makes your hair straighter. It's disactivate coils, so if you don't want your coils to be deactivated, don't always use egg and coconut oil. So that's why how do I put it, guys? Don't mind me, I'm just so tired. That's why egg can be able to disentangle whatever entanglement that was caused by your braids. Yeah. Ooh. First, you wrap like this, and next you wrap like this. You understand? Yeah. 2 wraps, so it will be well heated. And next, I'm just going to be, it's okay, 2 wraps is okay, but you can just add like this. What's that? So I'm not going to use my hand. Guys, I'm so sorry I'm talking rubbish, but I just hope you get what I'm trying to say. I'm just so tired. It's 2 a.m. in the morning. I'm so really tired. I have to sleep. See you the next day. Bye bye. So guys, I'm so sorry I didn't video the other days, but this is it. My hair is completely untangled. what you have to do is each time you wash your hair, try to do this little untangle stuff, like, but don't be so aggressive with it. It's not you must detangle the whole strand at a time or in one day. Just when you're washing your hair, try to do some detanglement, or whatever it's called, a little, then just leave it. Apply your product. Next time you're washing your hair, do the same thing. So this is all. My hair is completely detangled. I washed my hair this evening and I found that there was no tangle at all. Everything, it just detangled. So that's all for this video. Please, if you learned some tips, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell. Bye, see you in my next video.